Dealing with debt collectors can feel like facing a relentless opponent in a video game. But guess what? You have rights, and knowing how to wield them is your superpower. First off, debt collectors have rules to follow. They can't harass you, make false threats, or use deceptive tactics to get you to pay up. It's like playing by the rules in a fair game, and you hold the controller. So, here's your move. Know your rights. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA, lays out the do's and don'ts for debt collectors. Educate yourself on what they can and can't do. It's like studying the enemy's playbook to win the game. Next, assert yourself. If a debt collector crosses the line, don't hesitate to speak up. You can demand they stop contacting you or even file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. And lastly, document everything. Keep track of all communications with debt collectors. Remember, you're not alone in this game. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can level up and protect your rights against pushy debt collectors. So, gear up, champ. It's time to fight back and win. Choose Dispute Panda now.